Now, as you might already know, Grok has put a paywall on video generation, so yeah, that's honestly a bit disappointing. Because before this, Grok was one of the best completely free tools for creating both images and videos. But now, you can't really use it properly without adding your card details, and that's obviously not ideal. So if you're feeling stuck right now, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you 2 of the best free alternatives you can start using immediately. And the second one is actually crazy. It supports an extend feature, and you can also generate multiple files easily just by logging in with your Gmail. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so the first platform is called Grok AI. Now, this is a Chinese website, and you can access it through the link I've provided in the description below. So on this site, you can generate both images and videos. And what's even better is you can create unlimited images and videos here without any hassle. Alright, first, let's see how to generate an image. So all you need to do is click on the image generation option down here. Then, just type your prompt into this prompt box. After that, select your aspect ratio and hit enter. Within a few seconds, it'll generate the image for you. Okay, so here's the image it created for me. As you can see, the quality is actually really high. Now, to download it, just click on this download button and your image will be saved instantly. Alright, now let's move on and see how to generate a video using this site. So first, you'll need to open a new chat. Then, click on the plus icon and select the Create Video option. After that, you can attach a file from here. For example, I'll select this image for video generation. And if you don't have a sample image or if you want to create a text-to-video, you can do that as well. Then, you can simply type the prompt here and hit enter. So within a few minutes, it'll generate the video for you. Alright, now take a look at this video it generated for me. As you can see, the quality is just as impressive as the image. But here's the interesting part. These videos actually include audio. So yeah, you can even generate speech directly using this AI tool. So to download the video, just click on the download icon and it'll be saved automatically. Alright, now let's move on to the second platform, which is Meta AI. So first, just open the Meta AI website, and here you can sign up using your Meta account. Once you're done with the sign-up process, simply click on the plus icon and select the Create option. Next, you need to choose what you want to create. Since I'm creating a video, I'll select the video option. After that, click on the plus icon again, upload your sample image, and then describe the animation you want. At this point, I've already created an animation prompt using ChatGPT, so I'll just copy it and paste it into the prompt box. Alright, once everything is set, just click on the Animate button. It'll take about a minute, and then your video will be ready. And here it is. Take a look at the output. As you can see, the quality is really impressive. Everything from the camera movement and lighting to the sound feels very clean. Now, you might remember I mentioned an extend feature at the beginning. So yeah, this is the tool, Meta AI. If you look at the bottom of the video panel, you'll see an option called Extend Animation. So you can use that to make your video longer. And finally, to download your video, just click on the download icon and you're all set. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.